Voice of Trivandrum, Gospel Mirror. I'm Kesya Surendran presenting you the English special news. Here is the headlines first. India welcomes UAE-Israel deal, calls for talks for two-state solution for Palestinians. 4 Christian women hospitalized after brutal attack in northern India. The return of COVID-19. New Zealand postpones general election. Detailing headlines. India on Friday welcomed the full normalization of ties between the UAE and Israel, both key allies in West Asia, and called for early resumption of direct talks between the Israel and Palestinian leadership for two-state solution. West Asia was a home to nearly 8 million Indians before the COVID-19 outbreak, and New Delhi has a deep interest in the peace and stability of the region. As External Affairs Ministry spokesperson pointed out during a regular news briefing, India perceives West Asia as its extended neighborhood. India has consistently supported peace and stability and development in West Asia, which is extended neighborhood. In that context, we welcome the full normalization of ties between the UAE and Israel. Both nations are key strategic partners of India, he said. On August 11, a group of radical Hindu nationalists brutally attacked 4 Christian women who had gathered for prayer in Sarpur village. It is located in Haryana. As a result of attack, the 4 women have been hospitalized. One of 4 women, named Sangeeta, is reportedly fighting for her life. According to local sources, Pastor Rajesh Gupta, who serves as church pastor in the area, was visiting Sarpur village with his wife and daughter when the attack happened. As Pastor Rajesh and his family were visiting a Christian home, a mob of 10 radicals approached. Sensing danger, Pastor Rajesh fled. The radicals went into the Christian home and brutally beat the 4 women that has gathered, including Pastor Rajesh's wife and daughter. As a result of the attack, the 4 Christian women were severely injured. Sangeeta, Pastor Rajesh's wife, sustained multiple injuries, including the leg fracture and internal injuries to the abdomen after she was hit with an iron rod. Sushma, another Christian woman who had gathered in the house, sustained a serious head injury after being hit either by an iron rod or a wooden club. All 4 women were taken to Life Hospital for treatment. However, all comes from poor background and are struggling to manage the medical expense that had been incurred as a result of injuries. A police complaint has been filed against the 10 radicals, but no action has been taken. New Zealand stumbled in the second coming of COVID. In cases where cases are reported again, all important matters, including the general election, will be reversed. The general election in New Zealand was held on 19th September. The cabinet is currently deciding whether to hold the elections. Voter turnout in the country is less for last few days since the COVID cases are rising. For about 120 days, not a single case of direct or indirect contact with the disease was reported in the country. However, the parties did not respond to a request of comment until last week. The election campaign was suspended. The source of disease has not been identified. Briefing headlines once again. India welcomes UAE-Israel deal, call for talks for two-state solution for Palestinians. 4 Christian women hospitalized after brutal attack in northern India. The return of COVID. New Zealand postpones general election. By this, the news are being concluded. Thank you.